Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the headlight on a 2018 Toyota Rav4. Start by parking safely and disconnecting the battery to avoid shocks. Collect gloves, the correct bulb, a screwdriver, and a clean cloth. Check the owner's manual for the exact bulb model and any special instructions. Working methodically prevents damage and keeps alignment intact. I will guide you through each step so you can finish confidently and safely. Begin by opening the hood and locating the headlight assembly behind the lens. Remove any dust covers, clips, or screws blocking access, keeping parts organized. Disconnect the electrical connector by squeezing the tab and pulling gently. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise and pull it straight out to avoid bending or breaking. If the bulb is hot, let it cool first. Place the old bulb aside and inspect the socket for corrosion or debris. With gloves or a lint-free cloth, take the new bulb and avoid touching the glass surface. Align the bulb with the socket tabs, insert it gently, and twist clockwise until it locks in place. Reattach the electrical connector until it clicks and then reinstall any dust covers, clips, or screws you removed. Reconnect the battery and test the headlight to confirm proper function and alignment before closing the hood. Adjust if beam seems off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.